We're here at the Style Bar in Beverly Hills. It's a new salon opening. We're really excited because we're here with number 4 doing tons of hair. My favorite product so far is the styling texture cream. It's usually used after your hair is dry, kind of like a pomade without the waxy feeling, but I've used it on shorter, coarse hair for blow drying, and it gives it a really neat wefty texture. She already has the number 4 styling foam in her hair with a little bit of hairspray, so I'm just going to lightly spray the number 4 hairspray before I set her curls.
Our inspiration for this photo shoot is vintage 1960s with a French flair, very Bridget Bardot, just kind of sexy kitten, but the glamorous edge, but still sleek at the same time.
The model itself, she's gorgeous. She fits this look perfectly. I mean, Kimmy just executed the hair. I mean, perfectly to a T. I mean, Anthony's makeup is just absolutely stunning. We're gonna give her, definitely much more of an editorial feel. We're gonna use a couple, about 4 or 5 wigs we're gonna stack up on here.
We're going for a vintage 1960s kind of femme fatale, Bridget Bardot look. And it's based off of the hair care product line and the packaging itself. It's very clean. It almost has like that Chanel number 5 look, which makes you think classic, vintage, very French, but with a modern twist. I think just their overall philosophy translates well into anything you do because they're all about supporting and inspiring any kind of creative person. So with that, we were able to take, what they do and their brand image and just make it into something new and something different and something fun.
What we're trying to capture here is that 60s mod, Paris, femme fatale, sort of sex kitten, very sexy, big hair, polished, but rough around the edges. I really turned out enjoying working with the products a lot, especially with today in the shoot with the editorial styles and building the shapes. A lot of the products, they don't build up on the hair. They create a great pliable, malleable sort of textures where you can really play with the shapes without them building up on the hair. One of my favorites is the non-aerosol hairspray. Actually today I've really gotten a lot of use out of it, gotten to work and play with it more. A lot of non-aerosols tend to be really wet on the hair. They go on really wet and can kind of just drag the whole style down, especially when you've built up this great shape. It comes out really dry and it stays dry on the hair, and you can really have that great pliable texture to it. It's a lot of fun. As a professional stylist, number 4 products that have, they're professional quality products. So if you want to be a professional, if you want the look of, create professional looks, number 4 is the perfect product for that.
We know that Beverly Hills is extremely competitive, and we wanted to provide a product that goes a step further than the normal products that all the other salons provide, and they do want products that doesn't damage the hair, that keeps the products in longer and makes them last much longer. So that's one of the main reasons we picked number 4. Over the past few months, we've tested several products, and after using them for many months, we truly feel that number 4 is now part of the Style Bar family.